Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Woodward with you. Happy Unity Day. Today we are all wearing orange, and I love all the orange I'm seeing. And we're wearing orange for Unity Day. Let's wear orange for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. Those are words you can discuss in your classroom after I share one of my most favorite books called Stand Up. When I wake up in the morning, I like to think about what fun I am going to have that day. Today I am happy because one of my friends is coming over after school to play. On the school bus, I see my friend and I walk straight to the seat he saved for me. Every day he saves a seat and that makes me feel welcome. Hi, I say cheerfully to our classmate Jamie. Jamie keeps her head down and walks slowly past us. I turn my head and I watch as she sits alone and near the back of the bus. I wonder if she'll have a happy day. Recess is my favorite part of the day. Come over and play with us, my friend calls to me as I run outside with my class to have fun on the playground. Meeting my friend, I join his group. We're suddenly startled by a loud noise coming from the kids playing kickball. It's Alex and Jamie at it again. I knew you shouldn't play with us, Jamie. You always ruin the game because you kick the ball like a baby, Alex shouts. Not only was Alex using mean words to hurt Jamie's feelings, he tripped her and made her fall. As she struggled to get up, some of the kids began to chant, "Baby Jamie, baby Jamie." I wanted to help Jamie, but I am afraid that Alex and these kids will turn their meanness on me. In fact, no one dares stand up to Alex. He is strong and powerful and always wants his way. I start to think about Alex and Jamie. Yesterday, I saw Alex teasing Jamie about sitting at the peanut butter-free table during lunch. He even knocked her sandwich to the ground and then stepped on it. And last week, I saw him push her into the locker as she walked down the hall. I cannot understand why he is so mean to Jamie. How can I expect Jamie, who is so shy and quiet, to stand up to Alex when I am afraid to stand up to him by myself? Something needs to change. The next day, I begin to watch and listen. I look up, down, and all around. I see a classmate tying a little boy's shoes. I see a girl holding a door open for a friend who is on crutches. I see two kids studying together and helping each other learn for the spelling test this afternoon. As I lay in my bed that night, I think of a plan. I decide to write each caring classmate a note. Meet me on the monkey bars during recess to be part of a secret mission. See you then. What's the secret mission? They asked me during recess the next day. Our secret mission is to make Jamie happier at school. So why did you choose us to help you? One boy asks. I noticed that all of you care about other kids, and I thought you would want to help stop bullying at our school. Let's solve the problem together. As we sat on the monkey bars, we all talked about a plan. We can no longer stand by and watch mean and unkind acts by our classmates. I know it is hard to stand up to Alex alone, but if we all stand up to Alex together, we can do it. Everyone in the group became excited. Let's call ourselves the Caring Majority and get other kids to help too, says a classmate. We are a group of kids that care. Next time that Alex bothers Jamie, the caring majority will stand up and stop him. Another caring classmate says, I have an idea. Let's all bring peanut-free sandwiches for lunch tomorrow and sit next to Jamie so that she's not alone. They nod in agreement. Hi, Jamie, I say to her as the caring majority sits at her table the next day. I hope you don't mind if we eat with you. No, Jamie smiles. Thanks for keeping me company. Suddenly, Alex appears out of nowhere. Hey, Jamie, are you a nut? Why can't you just eat like the rest of us? Jamie slowly looks down and a tear starts to slide down her cheek. I look at our caring majority and I say, now is the time. Let's do it. We stand up together, stomp one foot and say, stop it, Alex. Be friendly or be friendless. Alex stops in his tracks. I think he realizes Jamie and the caring majority are not afraid. I watch as he walks away all alone, powerless. The next morning, an amazing thing happens. Once again, Jamie was sitting alone on the bus, but this time Alex was sitting right behind her. He gently taps her on the shoulder and says, I'm sorry, Jamie. Jamie slowly turns to look at Alex. Alex continues, I thought about standing in your shoes and realized how you must feel when I call you names and I don't let you play. Our classmates have helped me realize that it is important to think about how my actions make other kids feel. Jamie looks at Alex and smiles. When the bus stops, I watch as Jamie and Alex walk together and enter our school as friends. Today is going to be a happy day. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this story about the caring majority. And I hope when you have the choice to make, that you always choose to be kind. And if it helps, think about walking in someone else's shoes. Think about how you would feel if it happened to you. Happy Unity Day, and let's spread some kindness. Bye.